Okay guys, i-train ko si Sir Benz.
Si Mukong.
Kailangan natin within 6 months sa 100% niya ngayon, buwasan ng 30%. So i-try natin sa gawin natin ang lahat para mag-late lang siya. So need natin mga ang need ko ay cooperation niya. Okay, jump. Straight. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2 again. Jump. Straight. Upper. Upper kabila. Straight. 1, 2. Atras. Shift leg. 1, 2 again. Upper. Kabila. Straight. 1, 2. 1, 2 again. 1, 2 again. Jump. Jump. Straight na. Jump. Straight. Straight. 1, 2. Again. Again. Here. La. Straight. 1, 2. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. And next round. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Sugar Mike Fundamental. Thank you so much.